Meanwhile, the Bureau of Customs reiterated its commitment to eliminate oil smuggling in the country. The full report from Haji Camino.
The Bureau of Customs intensified its monitoring system against oil smuggling in the country following the presence of groups that oppose the implementation of a new campaign that fights the illegal importation of crude and refined oil products. Commissioner Rufy Biazon said there will be no excuse for anyone in their new enhancement measure against syndicates of oil smuggling, particularly those who support it.
Sunod dun sa kautusan ng Department of Finance na nag-institute kami ng ilang measures para ma-control natin or matigilan natin yung oil smuggling. Isa dito yung pagsisingil kaagad ng duty and tax pagdating pa lang ng produkto. Tapos yung pagbabantay ng inventaryo at ng pagpaparating nito sa bawat puerto, yung gathering of information.
Biazon stressed he prioritized the new campaign to assure that it can help to raise target tax collections in 2013.
Ang dato sa atin is labanan ng smuggling. So ang smuggling naman maaaring gawin ng maliit o malaking negosyante. So pantay-pantay natin silang tatratuhin na lumalabag sa batas.
Batangas Collector Rene Benavides, however, vows that though there is no report of any oil smuggling activity in the port of Batangas, he believes that the illegal activity can be stopped.
Meron silang ginawang proseso na ma-contain ang itong smuggling kung meron man. Pero as far as I know, walang oil smuggling dito sa Port of Batangas.
On the part of Batangas Coast Guard Commanding Officer Gregorio Adel Jr., he said some oil smuggling activities were monitored, though not yet apprehended.
Kami ilang beses na ako magpatrolyo dito, wala na akong nahuli.
Biazon delivered the statement as he led the loading of the new services offered at the Port of Batangas, which gave it the recognition of the International Security Organization or ISO for quality management system for the first time. The head of Aduana even added that all ports in the country must also look at Batangas Port as a model. For the People's Television Network, this is Haji Camino reporting.